Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start with this section 1. Section 1, side, cross, recover, side, behind, side, cross, touch, hold, and make a half turn to the left, unwind, and weight on the left foot. Okay, section 2, step forward, sweep in, step forward, sweep in, forward, recover, side, cross back, recover, and make a quarter turn to the left, forward, and make a full turn, half turn, step back, half turn, forward, and step forward. Section 3, step left foot to side, and make a 1-8 to the right, and walk back, right, left, and 1-8 to the right, step right foot to side, make 1-8 to the right, forward, step left, right, and 1-8 to the right, side, sway to the right, left, and quarter turn to the 1-8 to the right, forward with hitch, and then shuffle forward. Okay, and section 4, run back, right, left, left foot hook, step forward, and make 1-8 to the left, scissor step, and then make a 1-8 to the right, side, cross touch. Okay, let me repeat the whole section with the count. I'll do it slowly. Section 1, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Shuffle, okay? And section 4, run back, 2, and 3, 4, hook, forward, 5, and make a 1-8 to the left, 6, and 7, 8, and. Okay, that's okay, and there is one tag with 12 count after wall 2. Okay, 12 count. Okay, basic neck clap. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last 4 count, forward, 1, forward, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, once more, take 12 count, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, that's all the tutorial of our new choreo collaboration choreo. I hope you like the music, enjoy the choreo, and we look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.